Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to freeze the title in Excel. Why would you want to know how to freeze the title in Excel? Well, maybe you have a large table and can see the title when you scroll down. So today I am going to show you how to freeze the title in Excel. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Now we have columns and rows with a big table. If we scroll down, the title disappeared. So we choose the cells between the column and the rows. So go to date and go to view, sorry. So select freeze bins. Click on it. Now if we scroll down, the title will be freezed. And if we scroll right, something like this, the title will be freeze. We can unfreeze bin anytime. That easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to freeze the title in Excel, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to freeze the title, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.